Oh, not close eyes.
What do you think of the first Oreo?
It's too creamy. I don't know. Not really good.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's too creamy. Yeah, it's too much.
It's a little rich. Alright. Okay. It's a little much.
This is actually better. Put it in my yogurt. Mmm.
What do you think of the second one?
I like this. It's like thin. It's enough of everything. I like it.
What are your reactions to the second one?
It's really good. Can I have another? Not too much cream, not too much cookie, just a good balance. A symbiotic relationship between cookie and cream.